Now sir, in this topic mass energy and this is your nuclear binding energy. So mass energy relation is very important relation in physics. Actually we can say according to Einstein here, the mass is also another form of the energy. It means mass can be converted into energy. So according to Einstein, there is a conversion of mass into energy, and that energy E is given by this relation. E is equal to mc square. If the body has got the mass m and c is here 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, then you can get the energy, or when that means when the mass is converted into energy, the total energy will be coming equal to E here. Now, we have to define here the binding energy, nuclear binding energy. You know, the nuclear binding energy is the energy required to separate the nucleons at an infinite distance, and that energy is also given by here. E is equal to delta mc square. That means that can be referred as binding energy. So here the delta m which is here, the delta m is equal to, that is called mass defect. It means that is called loss of mass. So you know it, whenever nuclear reaction takes place, there is a loss of mass. It means if you take the mass of the product and mass of the reactant, if you subtract these two, mass of reactant minus mass of the product, you will be getting here the delta m, that is called mass defect. Generally you know the mass defect is measured in AMU. So if you have got the mass defect like this thing is your delta m is equal to 1 AMU, or you can write just U, only these days it is written only just U. So when the mass defect is 1 AMU or 1 U, then we can get energy by calculation, that is here E is equal to, here we can write the delta m 1 AMU, that is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg, and we can write here E is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 into here 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, that is a whole square, it will be coming into joules. When you convert it into electron volt, you will be getting here 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 into 9 into 10 raised to power 16 divided by, if you are converting joule into electron volt, you know that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 electron volt, because 1 electron volt is equal to, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 joules. So 1 joule is equal to 1 upon this. So when you convert this energy, this much mass into energy, and the energy you are taking in the form of the electron volt, then you will be getting E is equal to here coming 931.5 mega electron volt. It means whenever there is a loss of mass of the 1 AMU, energy is released is equal to 931.5 mega electron volt. This value can be directly used. If you have got any nuclear reaction, just to multiply, just to get first the mass defect, and you will be getting mass defects in AMU or U, and whatever the mass defect you get, just to multiply by this, you will be getting the total energy released during nuclear reaction. Now let us take an example here. So whenever there is a formation of the nucleus, suppose you have taken any nucleus, or any nucleus is formed whose atomic number is Z and mass number is A. So obviously number of protons and neutrons are required to combine. So number of protons and neutrons makes a nucleus. So in that case we can calculate delta M. Delta M is equal to ZMP, that is the total number of protons present inside the nucleus, plus A minus Z, this is total number of neutrons, and that is Mn, mass of neutron. And here we can write minus, this is mass of nucleus, whatever is formed here like this A. So this is the mass of the nucleus. So we have calculated mass defect during the formation of a nucleus. So we can calculate energy is equal to, this is ZMP plus A minus Z Mn minus Mn, that is Zxa into C square. This is the energy released in joules. But directly also we can calculate in electron volt. So E is equal to ZMP plus A minus Z Mn minus Mn Zxa here into 931.5 mega electron volt. So, by this way we can calculate energy released during nuclear reaction. So, this is about the binding energy and calculation of energy during the formation of nuclear reactions.